Oh, shh, good eye. Monkeys, white-eyed big monkeys, look. Look at them. Whoa, fuckers, they are awesome. Oi, 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 look at these, man. Yo, and they're not running off like the ones I've seen before. Oi, where you going? Oi, monkey. The little one's up there, look, see a little baby one. Oh, man. Well, fucking springing about. Ah, wicked. Ah, they're all off. Wow. Oh, man. Wicked start to my vlog. They are. Oi. They are superb, look. They're not bothered by me. Wow, come on. Oh, man. Wicked. Wicked. Whoa, hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Oh, she's squawking, man. Wow, man. This one. Come on, mate. Whoa. Wicked. Wicked. Hello. Hello. This is superb. Wicked. That is superb. Ah, the white-eyed monkeys. Awesome. Great start to my vlog. We ain't going to start here. I'm off to look at the waterfall, which should be about here. I just now try. There's a few abandonments and stuff, but the security, they won't let me in, and I'll show you the signs. So I'm a little bit cautious about going in, and once I've shown you the signs, you'll understand why. Ah, man, so good day. Welcome to today's vlog, which I haven't quite decided what it's going to be. As you can see, I'm out on recon. We've got a lovely sunny fresh day. Well, it looks like it'll be sun. It's really early at the moment, so the sun's still rising. So oh man, it's just wicked. Wicked. I'm going to get my big camera out and I'm going to take some proper video film of these guys and some pictures. Yeah, so that's why I'm so happy, because that's what I really like to do. So hang in there, I'll be back very shortly. I'm going to go to work. Okay, spent an hour in wardrobe. Ready for the show. I've seen more monkeys through, oh, you won't be able to see them, but there's loads of them in the trees and around there. And this isn't the waterfall, but I believe the waterfall is that way. There's a bit of work going on. And that background, it's looking really cool today. This is where the cable cars go. And I'm not sure if, I cannot see it from there, but I think the skywalk is somewhere up there. There you go, can you see the monkeys in the background? On the buildings, all running along, look. Little troop of them. Troop? Is it a troop? Is it a herd? Is it a gaggle? But look, this steel bridge, temporary, is just here. And I saw this awesome looking river, man. Wow. And the water's crystal clear. So it runs up there into the jungle. That is wicked. Okay, that'll get a screensaver. Selfie shot, whatever, thumbnail. I'm in a really good happy mood this morning, even though I'm off to my next destination, which after this vlog I will make a vlog about that. I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself with my vlogs, because sometimes I make 2 or 3 vlogs a day, but like I know it's hard enough for you guys just to keep up watching 1 vlog a day. So I'm kind of like, the time you're seeing this, I'm probably about 10 days ahead of where of what you're watching. I don't mean to do it, it's just how it is. So look, I like the bike, but I reckon I can get under there. I want to go, and there is a track there, so I want to see where it goes. I do. But yeah, I'm buzzed up. It's seeing, hang on, it's seeing them monkeys. Oh, really buzzed me up. As an intrepid explorer of wildlife, I say those things, those particular monkeys are hard to get on film and camera because they're up early. As soon as the sun starts coming up, they're away. Don't want to look at my daunting face. I had to take the specs off because it all looks a bit dark. But there is a track here. Oh man. And like I say, because I haven't seen any snakes dead on the road, maybe tree snakes, but well, I don't know, I don't worry about. Sort of. Let's see what's ahead of us. There's motorbike tracks here. Okay, there's a fence to my left which I'm not going in because when I show you the keep out signs or whatever, or private, they're a little bit off-putting. Oh man, we are proper jungle trekking. Proper jungle trekking. And in the previous vlog, the road that I went down was closed off, and that beach to my left, that is known as Skeleton Beach. There used to be a resort there. And that is why it's all, wow, closed off. But before it was a resort, oh man, hang on. Whoa, itchy nose, cobweb or something. Oh man. Before it was a resort, that is where Thailand, wow, used to send their prisoners. And they were all killed apparently. I've been talking with my landlady's husband, who is a tour guide, wow, around the island. He has offered to say everything, and I'm like, no, let me find my way. I don't want to go to all the places everybody else has been to. I like this kind of stuff. Oh man, so when I was telling him yesterday of where I was where I'd been, he told me what that place was, and he said there's some, oh man, many years ago, 7 centuries, 7, whoa, it's fucking hell, whoa, don't pull the brake mate in the mud. This is the fucking thing about riding a scooter. When the throttle is on your right hand and so is the front brake, it's like, you know, I'd love to have a back brake where my right foot is, then I'll be able to ride in much more control. That fear of fucking coming off. So just got to be super careful. Oh man, ants, look at, oh man, you'd have missed them, loads of them. Oh, bees, ah, fuck, what have I done here, man? It's like them swarm of bees, mate. Oh man, there's a couple coming with me. Fuck. You get stung by a load of them, you're proper fucked. You really are. Ah, man. I don't know where or what this is going to turn into. The water's still there, look. Oh, it's pretty dank, man. Ah, it does open up. Oh man, it's not opening up to a waterfall. Way good riding, Mr. King. Oh, it's just where it just goes out to the sea. So it's definitely the other way I want to be going. Whee. Oh man, so that is it. That pretty much goes out to the sea. Whew. Right. Oh, there you go. It's probably a view. Oh man, that most of you probably wouldn't see coming this way as our intrepid explorer explores. Oh, the back streets. Oh man, wicked view. Oh, I better not be thunder. You hear that in the background? That'll be Thor. Thor. Wicked view though, right? Oh man, beautiful mountains. That looks solid ground. Oh man, there's crabs. Are they crabs? What the fuck are they? Oh man, weird looking things. Where do they go? Little pink and white things. Tiny. Tiny. Oh, they're gone. I've scared them. They were there. They had gone in the holes. Ah, man, they're tiny little hermit crabs. Oh, man. They were no bigger than a centimetre. Just bright pink. There's another one there. They are tiny. But because I'm moving about, any movement, friction, the ground, they will dive in into their little holes. I hope there ain't a storm a coming, look. As the tide is out. But it looks dark. All dark. Approaching this way. Man. And there's one, a big one, look. I wonder if we can get a zoom in on it. You see the movement? Oh, man, with his big pink claw. Oh, he's gone under. Oh, man. Yeah, crab spot, and there's loads of them. Tiny little pink things with a big old claw. And I am creeping this way. Well, there's brown ones as well. There is, look. Can you see the earth moving? There's hundreds of them. Let's move quickly, look. You see them all moving? They're all gone. Right, that's it. I've had enough of crab spotting. I just come for the selfie. Wow. It's all a bit slippery. Right. Oh man. I've got to get up here. Right, I'm going to get up, I'm going to turn around and we'll go and find the waterfall. Ah man, because I've got to get back to the hotel, finish packing, and then get on the, well, leave at 12 and then get on the ferry to my next destination, which will be the next vlog. Made it! I'm actually here. Now you know Thailand, wherever you go, you have an angle grinder. Well in Malaysia, wherever you go, bloody edge trimmer. I'll put around there. Cool. And I can go in, it is open, and I said to a guy, I said, yeah, I can come in as long as I'm walking. So I'm walking. Ah, so I am at, I'll make the waterfall. Which you guys probably would like to know the name of, right? So here, oh mate, I thought they were crocodiles. No, they're big they're the biggest scorpions. I hope I don't make scorpions that size. I really don't. It looks like I've got a little bit of an intrepid trail. Man, 7 Wells Peak, yes, because there's 7 different ponds. Oh, as I was saying earlier, oh, what is it? A queen died here 7 centuries ago or something. Worth taking into account. So where is there 7 Wells Waterfall? Mate, I think that's a leaf blower he's got. So yes, that's what these 7 wells is. So it looks like I have got, oh man, big waterfall adventure platform 1 to 17, 12 zip line. I ain't got on no zip lines. Oh man, it looks like there are zip lines. Course map. Not sure I want to be doing that. But that is, I believe, the way in. They won't let you drive in. That gate is for perhaps the workers. So I'll see if I can get up there and see the waterfall. Oh man, which looks pretty good. Right. It's got, I reckon that's where I am. And we're going in. Oh, it looks okay, it looks picturesque. The guys are keeping the area clean. The tiger. Freaking bite, mate. Hang in there. Oh, bit of peace. He's turned his wind blower off. His leaf blower. Looks like I'm near the top. Quite a sharp incline. Looking up here. That has stretched my calf muscles. There is some steps. And you'd probably be better off walking up. I like a steep hill. It gets me blood flowing. The juices flowing every morning. Watching that butterfly. I think he's gonna land. Okay. Oh man. So it looks like. Alright. State government. Oh man, put that disclaimer up, look. Life lost. All just using the facilities. What a disclaimer that is. What we got here, rats? Oh man. So, what about that? Seeing a disclaimer by the government. They'll have no responsibility. It makes me kind of wonder what awaits me. Oh man. Now going downhill. Well, that's just bad news for coming back. I think I've got to come back on the main walk to go to the seven pools, which should be able to do. If I'm a little late checking out the hotel, I don't think the people will mind. There's no one else staying there but me. I think they'll be pretty okay about it. Whew. Okay. Right, that is. You can hear the sound of the water. Oh man. The sound of my trip trops. Oh man, and the view. Oh man, of the cable cars. I'm so glad that's closed. I'm so glad that is closed. Because if I'd have gone there, you'd all took the piss because I'd have bottled it. No way would I have got on there. No way. And if I had gone on there, then I would. Whew, don't know. I'm glad that's closed. Till the 20th of August. In another 2 weeks or so. I think today, yeah, today is the 2nd that I'm making this vlog. To give you some idea, my backlog, all due to me computer and hard drive. Well, not, wasn't really due to that. I mean, it is that it is. I just make too many vlogs. I do. I do. Okay, hang in there. Hang on, put you. Hang on. Final few steps. Wow. Oh man. Very impressive looking waterfall from what I can see. To my right. But get used to this, guys. I don't need to go on about it, but it is everywhere. Wow, man. That is a waterfall. I've been told it's the biggest one on the island. And the cloud is thickening up. Oh man, there's people there having a bath. So I do expect, oh man, a massive storm pretty soon. Whoa. That, g'day, is a waterfall. Wow. Oh man. That is superb. Sound. Look at that. Oh man. That is wicked. didn't expect to see anything quite like that. Not really. I expected to see something like that. That's what I expected. Yeah, man. Superb. That is really cool. I'm glad I made the little journey this morning. I'm now, I don't know how long I should stay, because I do believe it's going to pee down, and I haven't brought an umbrella today. I haven't. Let's try and see if we can see down that next level. And I haven't brought the towel or a change of clothing, so I won't be going in, hopefully. I mean, there is a strong chance. There's a few trip hazards about. Oh man. There's toilets here as well, which is pretty good. Crystal clear water. Oh man. We're going up. Whoa, wicked. Whoa. Super. Oh man, look, they're fucking people, man. What are they like? You can't blame the monkeys for that. Monkeys are monkeys, man. Now I don't want to go too far. Oh man. Oh, what do I? Whoa. Slippery. That's as far as I'm going. I'd like to get down on there. Right there. Where I'd like to be. But I could end up, I know I've got a safety out on, but oh mate, it's wicked. A pool down there. It is really, really cool place to be. Wow. Okay. I'm going to take a few pictures and then I'm going to head up to the 7 pools or ponds, whatever they are. Stepper. Now whilst I'm going up these steps to the pool, I have noticed that pipeline. You know what that's for? That's for the dry season, to pump the water back up the top to keep the tourists happy. It is. Most waterfalls will have piping from the pools pumping back up the top, so there's a water flow during the dry season. It's true, it's a fact. I know. But you know, it's what it is. And that is pretty decent pipeline. There ain't no blue plastic tubing like what you'll see at the Erewhon waterfalls in Kanchanaburi. Oh man, there's a steam outlet. There, look. Wow, that's steam coming from what I can only assume is a hot spring of some sort. Just purely, look, coming out of the ground. Man, wow. Even with that, well, there's a hairline puncture in the pipe. Oh man, look, Jesus. I'm gonna need more than the Rocky music to get up there. I'm gonna need more than a good speech. Get me up there. Oh man, and I am in a hurry because I'm sure it's gonna rain. Whew. Well, it is all in the day's vlog. Windblower, man. Cannot escape them. And just like that, we're at the top. Whew. I think I saw a bridge, which is cool. Oh man, I am gonna go over it. Oh man, I'm not the only one up early this morning. Morning. I have a few other people here as well. Just all good. Oh man. Wow. Oh yes. We're happy. On my very last day, I'll perhaps find something worth coming to Langkawi for. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Wow. And I can see the rain. That beautiful turquoise sea with a rainy shower. Look at that. Now that's what you call a waterfall. Man, that's awesome. It's not a bridge. It's a point. We're going up. We are. And oh man, I am hot. And I've got my swim gear on. But you know what? I reckon I'll get wet on the way home. I do. Oh man, what a view. What a view. Swap for me. And the thing, oh no way, this is glass bit on the walk. Awesome. That is some kind of sight for sore eyes for this intrepid traveller. I mean, what is it? I'm in proper sales mode today. I really am. I am. Today is the morning. That's why I'm happy. It's not just seeing the monkeys. I went over 8,000 subs last night, which was awesome. Before I went to bed, I think I was 3 away, and then when I woke up, put the thing on, 8,036. It was fantastic. That really is. The subs are going up quicker, which is awesome. It's really good. So I do appreciate all you guys watching and that. Oh man, which is really good, and subscribing and giving me the thumbs up. Buzzes me up reading the comments of a morning. So it does. Gives me the energy to go out and make these vlogs. Okay, and you can see like a stagnant pool right there. Well, it is wicked. There's probably 7 of them. Oh man. So I will have a little trek just to see what's up there. But first, I'll take a couple of pictures. Okay, I'm still here at the top here, kind of walking around as this waterfall I think goes that way. So always put the camera on when I think I may have a trip to do. Oh man, can I? Will I? Yay! Stepping stones, mate, easy. Well, that could have gone horribly wrong, but lucky for me and unlucky for you, it didn't. We nailed that. Awesome. Across them little steps. Now I know it'd probably been easier to put my feet in, but where that algae builds up on the sandstone, it gets extremely slippery. So beware of that. And flip-flops, believe it or not, are really good for gripping. They are. They're just like a little extra on your foot. That's what I think. Hello. How are you? Whoa. It's okay. Thank you. Oh man, look at this. Proper jungle. That's about as far as I'm going to walk up there. It is, it's really cool, but I think there's a little sideway around there. So I'll go back. Cheers, darling. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Friendly people everywhere you go in Malaysia. Everywhere. Okay. And I thought I saw a little track here. Okay. 2 hours trekking to the peak. Mate, this could be a 2 hour trek. 2 hours. What time is it? Jesus. It's a wicked trek. But what's the time? It's 2 hours. That's a 4 hour journey. It's now 10 o'clock. No. Oh man. So if you come here, you can have a 2 hour trek right to the top, and that will take you, I'm only assuming, to a massive peak where you'll probably have one of the best views that you're probably going to see on the island, and you'll be able to look across to Thailand, one would assume. You know what they say about assumption? So, what a wicked little vlog. Unexpected. And it is gonna, I don't know, dude. I'm soaked with sweat, so it won't matter if it rains. Oh man, that was really cool. Really cool. So, thanks for watching. As always, cheers. And until next time, au revoir. Okay, little quick exit. Extra bit. I will be quick because I've just got ahead of the rain. I just have. It was spitting as I just left, so I just got ahead of it. Now, on my little intrepid journey this morning, up there to where I've just came from, I want to go down there, don't I? I can see, I can just go around the fence and up that road, but I can see two people, and I don't know if they've done what I want to do. But the thing that's stopping me is this thing right here. Keep out. No, not that. That's like an invitation, but man with a gun. I mean, I know that would probably make a really good vlog, right? Like me riding my scooter getting shot at, but you know what I mean? Risk assessment. Brain says no. There's some things that I just got to leave alone. Ah man. So I just had to share that with you. That's just the extra bit, in case you are thinking, oh man, you didn't tell us about the trespassing signs. Well, actually that made a pretty good selfie, wasn't it? The extra bit. Cheers, all the best guys, enjoy the day.